Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing the research question and listing exact inclusion criteria. This reduces noise. Then you feed the AI with seed papers, DOI, 3-5 key reviews, and a keyword/synonym table so models learn your intent. Once done, connect a semantic search or LLM that supports PDF ingestion and DOI lookups. Use a reference manager API to capture metadata automatically. This saves manual entry. Keep versions of prompts so you can refine queries and reproduce results later. You now expand queries with Boolean logic, proximity operators, and AI-driven synonym suggestions to broaden recall without exploding noise. Then run semantic similarity searches and citation chaining to catch related papers that keyword search misses. This uncovers interdisciplinary work. Once done, use clustering to group themes and prioritize reading. Make sure to automate PDF and metadata retrieval and extract abstracts for batch screening. This accelerates triage. Iterate prompts, adjusting recall versus precision as you review results. You finish by extracting structured data, methods, sample sizes, outcomes, and populating a spreadsheet or database for analysis, because structured data enables synthesis. Then ask the AI to draft an annotated bibliography and an evidence map so you see gaps and overlaps. Export citations as bibtx, endnote, or RIS. If things go wrong, recalibrate prompts, verify API rate limits, and audit a random sample for false positives. This diagnostic step reveals systematic errors and prevents propagation into your final review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.